friends, Rachel here. How are you guys doing? As you can probably hear from my voice, I am still fighting a bit of a bug, but I am here and I am going to do a little video for you guys tonight. So I don't actually have anything to show off at the moment, but it's been a minute, so I figured I would do a video and check in and say hi and see how things are going. How are you guys? It has been quite a week in the Yarnette Playhouse. Everyone got sick, and that's including my husband and I. It was not COVID. And so we had a 10th anniversary getaway plan, my husband and I, for about 6 months. Our anniversary is actually in August, but our anniversary is the same day as my oldest daughter's birthday, so she wins and she gets that day. So it's a few months later, and we decided to go on a getaway, and had to scramble last minute because of sickness, but my parents very graciously offered to take the three big kids, the three older kids, and then the baby, because she was just little and was not feeling very well. She came down with that hardest out of all of us, really. She came with us on our little getaway, and we had a good time. It wasn't quite what I expected because, you know, you're dealing with a sick 1.5-year-old, but we still had a good time. And it was nice to kind of get out of our routines and break things up and stay somewhere nice. And the place that we went had a hot tub, so we were able to sneak in the hot tub, you know, and just have a little bit of relaxation time, you know, while the baby was sleeping and everything else. So we enjoyed ourselves. And I feel like a 10th anniversary, you know, that's worth getting away for. So I was very thankful that we were able to do that. We came back today, which, I mean, I'm posting this tomorrow. So I'm filming this on Tuesday. So we got back today on Tuesday. And unfortunately, we came back and my third born, my 3-year-old, while we were gone, came down with hand, foot, mouth. So we're dealing with that now. So if you guys, you know, say up a little prayer for our family that nobody else catches hand, foot, mouth, and we don't have to go through a second bout of sickness. But in the meantime, we are quarantined because hand, foot, mouth is very contagious and we don't want to spread it anywhere. So I'm home, I'm here, but I am on lockdown until she is fully cleared up and we are all have a clean bill of health. So, we'll see how much crochet stuff I can get done. And the reason why I don't have anything to show you guys, I don't know if you saw my post, but I was planning on bringing 2 bins of yarn with me on our little getaway. My husband was the one who loaded the car, did not realize there was 2 bins, thought there was only 1. And so I didn't have some of the stuff that I was planning on doing. There's a blanket that I'm working on my knitting machine that I was hoping to get finished this weekend, so I was not able to do that because I did not have the yarn that I needed. But, so I was like, it's okay, I'll just work on some crochet stuff, I'll play with some new stitches, I'll see if anything turns out, and, you know, I get a pattern out there that I'm happy with. And I'll tell you what, guys, you ever have those times where you just have, like, no crochet mojo, like, the CROJO is gone? Like, I just sat there and I tried, I don't even know how many different things, and every single time I got, like, into it and was working on it, was like, I don't like this, I'm not happy with it, this does not look how I want it to, and it's just not working out. So I threw up my hands and I said, you know what, it's not working, that's okay. I am just going to let it be and hang out and just kind of let that go. So just kind of relaxed over the weekend, but it was still really good. And I can't say I didn't get anything done. I did get a pair of mitts finished, which that was what I was planning on filming tonight, actually, was a tutorial for this new pair of mitts that I have. I came up with a pattern, it was actually 2 weeks ago now that I perfected the pattern, and I just wanted to make up a few more pairs just so I really had it in my brain and my hands before I went to film it. So it is a fingerless glove pattern, but it requires no sewing at all. So I make the cuff on the knitting machine, and then I stitch the entire thing crochet, and I even do a thumb, so the thumb comes up. It's not just like a hole here for your thumb, like the thumb actually comes up. So it covers most of your thumb except for just the tip of your thumb. Got that done. and no sewing involved at all. Excuse me. I promise I sound worse than I actually am. But yeah, after coming home and kind of getting settled in and having new sickness to deal with and getting kids to bed, it was just one of those things where it's like, I know this is going to take me a couple hours to film and I'm just not in that headspace. So we're going to work on that tomorrow night. Hopefully I can get that filmed up over the next couple nights and get that up for you guys for my second upload of the week. So that is my plan. But I did want to check in, let you guys know kind of how things have been going on here. And if you did not see my video short that I posted tonight, unexpectedly surprised that ADDI knitting machines, the king size, the big, the 46 pin or 46 needle, whatever you want to call it, is on sale right now. In the United States, it comes out to $111 off its usual price. So the king size knitting machine is usually $269. And right now on Amazon, it is on sale for $157. So I'm definitely linking that in the description below. I've never seen that price come that low on an ADDI king size before. When I bought mine, I want to say I got mine for $216 and thought I was getting a really good deal because it doesn't usually come down that far. So when I saw that it was that drastically discounted, I wanted to give you guys a, hey, heads up, this is definitely happening right now. So if you've been thinking about getting an ADDI and just have been on the fence about it because of the cost, which I 100% get, a Centro is still a more affordable option, even with the discount on the ADDI, but you're not gonna find a better sale on an ADDI than the one that's going right now. Like, I've never seen them this low, and I usually keep pretty good track of their price. I usually check it once a week just to kind of see where it's trending, you know. And I've never seen it come down this low. So if you are interested and been waiting to pull the trigger on an ADDI, today is a good day to do that. Link in the description if you are interested. But yeah, I think that that's it. It's been kind of a crazy few days, you guys. But it feels really good to be home. It feels nice to be in my own space again. It feels great to see the kids again. Even though we had the baby with us, we didn't see the big girls we were gone for a total of 4 nights. So I think that's probably the longest that I've been away from them since my oldest was born 8 years ago. So they did great though. They handled it wonderfully. They just are all tired and a little run down, and they were all conked out early to bed tonight because they were just, you know, all of the hullabaloo of the weekend and everything else. So that's what's going on here. I hope that you all are staying healthy and safe and are well. Don't forget to wash your hands. Make sure you got a mask on. I was like masked 100% everywhere I went because even though this isn't COVID, nobody wants to share their colds. Like, this is you. So stay healthy and safe, my friends. I think about you. I hope you guys are doing good. Things are good over here. We just have a little rough patch to get through, and I think that we will be ready to enjoy the rest of our fall/early winter. Is it holiday season? Can we call it holiday season now? I mean, Halloween's done, right? I mean, I'm not one of those people who puts up their Christmas tree like the 1st of November, but I definitely get in the mood pretty quick after Halloween. Which reminds me, I need to buy a new Christmas tree. We had one that was gifted to us when we first got married 10 years ago, and it had a long life before it came to us, and it had a long life with us, and it was on its last leg. So last year we finally said, okay, need to get rid of this one, get a new one. So I will be hunting down Christmas trees. So all of that good stuff. Blessings to you, friends. Stay healthy and safe. Keep stitching. What are you guys working on? I want to know. Tell me in the comments. I'm curious. Because goodness knows my yarny mojo has been off. So I need some inspiration. So let me know what you guys are working on. All right. I think I'm going to leave it there for tonight. Keep an eye out for upload on Friday for those fingerless mitt tutorial, okay? Bye, yarny friends.